This bird doesn't fly, but it can kill you. Cassowaries have a 5-inch dagger-like claw on each foot, capable of slicing arteries or organs with one kick. This isn't a peck, it's a stabbing weapon. They can sprint at 30 miles per hour and jump high enough to strike head level. Outrunning it is not guaranteed. Cassowaries are extremely territorial and attack without warning, especially during breeding season. They don't bluff, they charge. Despite being birds, male cassowaries raise the chicks, incubating eggs and protecting them alone. Deadly father, devoted parent. Cassowaries spread massive rainforest seeds that no other animal can digest. Without them, entire forests would collapse. In the jungle, this bird is the final boss.